we'll guide you through how to add a Gmail signature. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail by typing mail.google.com in the address bar. Once you're logged into your Gmail account, look towards the top right corner and click on the gear icon to open the settings menu. From there, click on See All Settings to access the full settings page. Now, navigate to the General tab, which is usually the first one you'll see. Scroll down until you find the Signature section. Here, you can click Create New if you don't already have a signature, or click on an existing one to edit it. A text box will appear where you can type your signature. You can customize it with your name, title, contact information, and even add links or images if needed. Use the formatting tools just above the text box to adjust fonts, colors, and add your personal style. Once you're satisfied with your signature, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes to ensure your new signature is saved. Remember, you can always come back and update your signature whenever you like. It's also a good idea to send yourself a test email to see how your signature looks in an actual message. This way, you can make sure everything is displaying correctly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.